Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about the latest beautiful tassels for outfits and which are extremely beautiful, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this video. This is all about the beautiful latkans or dories that you call the beautiful tassels with several different design ideas and the latest extremely wonderful trendy designs of tassels. So in order to watch them all, you have to just take on. Before moving further, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, click onto the notification bell icon, so whenever I'll be uploading a new video you will be notified and you can be the first person to enjoy watching it. Also, these are one of the most incredible handmade tassels which looks super beautiful, super gorgeous. These are the pure beautiful tassels made with different fabrics and beautiful jewelry tucked in, and this looks so gorgeous to those who are looking up forward for beautiful latkans for dress outfits, for suit design ideas, and even for saree blouses. These latkans or dories or the wonderful tassels are one of the best ideas that you can give it a try. And look at this one, this looks so beautiful, gorgeous ones, and the color ideas are infinite. From you can actually match to the dress color code of yours to the tassels so that your outfit design looks very different and odd and it should match your dress. But and very simple tip to you guys, that if you are not having the very color of your outfit so that it could match with your tassel, the best idea is to just pair golden or silver, or either the one which is the pure diamond color, like the transparent one, so that could go great with all of your outfits. Now look at this one. These tassels ideas are actually very trendy and super beautiful, super gorgeous. Unlike others, these tassel ideas are very popular this 2022. So to those who have been looking forward for wonderful tassel ideas, here is the video for you. And I'd also like to introduce you guys to my Instagram ID. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest. Links to all of them are in the description box below. You guys can follow me there as well. To those who haven't been following me yet, you can follow, and to those who have already been following me, I'm really thankful to all those beautiful viewers. And feel free to share with me whatever video you want to watch next, because it's my pleasure tuning according to your recommendations and suggestions. Moreover, what you can do is, when you're designing an outfit for yourself, just ask your designer or your tailor to design a tassel for you from the same outfit so that it could match great way, and you can just buy them some jewelries that you want to be tagged in your tassels. But if not, you want to purchase it, there are several tassels online there that you can buy, and if you want, I would share the link with you guys. All you have to do is share with me which one did you love the most. Mine is this one, and the one you loved, just comment it, and if you want me to share the link, I would definitely with you viewers. These tassels look so great, so wonderful, and for your very plain and simple boring outfit gets a wonderful look, and it looks super stunning, super cute. Look at this one, it's a gorgeous one with a beautiful pearl at the top and then pairing down from small to big. What kind of tassels do you like? Let me know down in the comment box. This one with mirror work on it looks gorgeous. This is a very simple Latkan and it looks great too. Now this one is a bit fancy, and all the fancy latest tassel ideas for saree blouses, for suit design ideas, and for all Indian and Pakistani outfit ideas. These tassels ideas are wonderful. This is a typical Rajasthani beautiful tassels that you would definitely love, and from a wide range. This is a beautiful lotus. From a wide range, I have selected for you guys the most chosen one that looks great and super beautiful, so that you viewers doesn't find it harder to select the most beautiful ones for you. From different designs of outfit, I've selected the various ranges of colors from the various infinite designs and patterns of the tassels, so that the tassel ideas that I want to share with you guys, you would definitely love all out there. And make sure if you're enjoying watching this video, give a thumbs up and hit on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell icon if you want to receive every single notification of the videos that I'll be uploading further. And if you love watching this, do give it a share so that your friends and fam can also enjoy watching this video as much as you did. You can either wear these tassels on your bridal outfits as well. So to those who have been looking forward for bridal outfit tassels, these ideas are great, and for party wears as well, and for get together moments, festive occasions, every single thing, this would go great. This is particularly made out of the fabric, and it looks great as well. From simple to so beautiful tassels, I've shown you all today. Which one did you love the most? Don't forget to share with me, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos I'll be up with next. Until then, stay tuned on my channel. Thanks for watching, share it, and bye.